Good morning. Oh man, I think I slept worse than the first night. There wasn't really many places to sleep or set up camp rather. At this campsite, and I didn't feel like moving anymore. So I'm like kind of at an incline. Everything's like shifting to my left, including my sleeping mattress. It made it kind of hard to get comfortable. Anyways, today I'm hoping to complete the Triple Crown. Whoa. I'm about 1.5 miles from McAfee Knob. What I'm gonna do is pack up all my stuff, move over to the table near the shelter close by, get some coffee going, some oatmeal, and then I'm going to be on my merry way. Yeah, I'm right outside of the Catawba shelter. Elevation 2,460 feet. So let's get some coffee going. Coffee time. What I like to do with the oatmeal, not my trick at all. I gotta shake it up first because the sugar gets to the bottom. After you mix it up, you kind of just slice it open, obviously. And then, so you don't have to dirty any dishes, you just pour it in the bag. And it won't seep through, so don't worry. I guess we're starting off the day a little difficult. I mean, this is only 1.5 miles, but it's just one steep incline just to get to McAfee Knob. I think I'm like maybe 1 mile away. Man, last day, you gotta push it. Use every last bit of your energy to just push it. I'm almost to the top. But here we have a labyrinth of giant rocks. Cool. Ooh. Where should I go? That way? Okay. Oh my god. I think I'm finally here. I think. Ah, yes. The knob. It's the knob, guys. Oh my god, it's gorgeous up here.
the knob. I can hear cows below me. Oh man, it is quite picturesque. Wow. So looking at the map, I believe over there is the North Mountain Trail. It's like the most prominent kind of trail you can see. Most prominent mountain. North Mountain Trail. I think it starts from all the way up there, goes all the way down here. And then I think where we're going is this little mountain ridge here that's way lower than us. And it goes across. And then it goes up, I guess. And then it goes down through the valley. I believe that's where we're going, Tinker Cliffs. When I look at that North Mountain Trail, I'm just like, I'm taken aback because I can't believe that I did that in like one day. It's just so long. I mean, it looks long on the map too, but when you see it from McAfee knob, it's pretty unreal. All right, guys, it's about that time. I'm gonna go start digging, see what I can plant. I'm a little upset. I just stumbled upon the campground on the other side of the mountain. Look how pristine this is. Wow. Just perfect. I mean, flat ground, beautiful trees, picnic table, fire ring, all right here. Oh my God. I really missed out. I guess it pays to go clockwise on the look at that. I could have camped right there. Yeah. This would have been a really good campsite, but I'm happy with my choices because I got to see McAfee knob in the morning and there was nobody around, so there's pros and cons to this shit, but I could have had a better sleep, no doubt, if I was in a pristine campsite like this one. Well, my camera's gonna die soon. I think I'm at 32%. Haven't made it to Tinker Cliffs yet, but getting close, maybe 2 miles. Takes a long fucking time, I gotta tell you, to navigate through these mountains. Just ate a Fig Newton, recharging a little bit. My foot hurts as usual. You know, everything kind of hurts. I'm pretty done with this. I'm almost there. I'm excited to get back to the Honda and excited to eat my first real meal in, it's been 3 days, I think, so hell yeah, let's keep pushing. Oh my God, I'm so dead. I'm guessing I'm on the cliffs. I didn't see a sign or anything, but this has to be it. I mean, look behind me. There's the North Mountain Trail going southward. And then that's where I just came from, I'm guessing. I think I can see the McAfee knob from here, but might not be it. I have a pretty good idea where I am though. And then in the middle, the valley, you can kind of see the farmland that we saw from the left side. Yeah. Here's where I'm at. Trail continues in the forest that way. I'm gonna finish this off after I take a long break. Ooh, we have a sign. Lord, give me a sign. Ah, yes, I see the Andy Lane Trail back there. Okay. Andy Lane Trail, 3 miles, 3.1 mile. Oh my God, I can't even imagine going much further, if I'm being honest, but this is the very last sign. This trail will take us to Honda, so Yeah, fuck yeah. Oh my god. We made it, guys. Holy shit. Here's the map for Tinker Cliffs. Oh, fuck. Jesus Christ. Here's the McDonald's that I saw at the beginning. And that's where we went into, I believe, for the North Mountain Trail. And then up here, oh my god, it's my Honda Accord. Oh, hell yeah. I'm so elated right now. Oh my god. Yes, let me touch it. Let me touch it. Oh, my Honda Accord. Okay. I'm gonna lean down here, maybe you can see it better. It says right here, 13.91 miles, day 1, right? Okay, let's go to day 2, 14.28. Okay, day 3, today, 12.68. Okay, let's do some rounding, 28 plus 13, that is 41. I mean, that's crazy, 41 miles. I read online it was a 32-mile circuit. I mean, it's not like it would have made a difference. I would have done this anyways, but I have to find out where that discrepancy is coming from. My fucking camera's about to die. It's time to go inside the car, drive off, and get something to eat because I'm starving. But we got all 3 crowns. I'm gonna go celebrate with a burger or something. Okay, peace out for now.